Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Are you having trouble sending messages on TikTok because of messages option not showing on TikTok app? In this video, I will show you how to fix this and how to fix or solve the problem of messages option not showing in easy way. So to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. First thing you have to do is to go to TikTok, as you see, and you will enter here. In this first page, you will have this window of profile. So you will enter to profile like this. Then on profile, you'll find these 3 lines on above. You have to enter to it like this. And here in this page, as you see, we'll tap on settings and privacy. We'll find this option here when you're scrolling down of privacy. First you will go to privacy here, and then on privacy you will find this window of, or this option of direct messages. So you will enter to direct messages, and then here on above you'll find this window of permission settings. So we click on permission settings, and here in this page you will find who can send you messages, potential connection, and others on TikTok. So you will choose first here potential connections to enable. So you will click here requests, receive messages in requests. So you will turn on in that way. And also here we go to others on TikTok. You will click here to enable receive messages of others in requests here also. So when you end with this, you have to make sure that you are not under 16 years old. So you have to make sure of your information of age on your TikTok. So you will go to account, as you see. Here in this page, we go to account information. Then you will find here date of birth. So you will click here and you will change your information of your age or birth date. If you are in the 16 here, or if you have a mistake in your age, you will edit in this page. After that, you will go back to the first page or the first window on your phone. You will have settings. So you will go to settings. Then you will scrolling down until you find apps. So you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will write here TikTok. You will search about TikTok app. You will enter to TikTok. Here in this page, you will go to permissions. So you will make sure that all your permissions are enabled here and allowed. So you will allow your permissions, and then you will find here for stop, and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to storage, and here we click on clear cache. So in that way you can know how to fix that problem in easy way. So if you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.